Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix you are not logged in your Minecraft account. You need a valid Minecraft account. It will also require stable internet connection and updated Minecraft launcher. Correct login credentials and account access will be required. To fix login issue, restart the Minecraft launcher and log in again with your Microsoft account. You can check your internet connection and disable any VPN or proxy. Clear Minecraft account cache by signing out and deleting temporary files. You can update the launcher to the latest version and restart your PC. Ensure you are using the correct account that owns the game. If you recently changed your Microsoft password, re-login to refresh the token. Outdated or offline launchers may show this error even with valid accounts. If the issue persists, reinstall the launcher or contact Mojang support. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.